Hello traders, this is Trader Muru here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and another episode of weekly analysis of gold. First week of this 2024 has ended. NFP has given us a nice momentum in gold. Gold was such a ridiculous pattern was created over here. Then NFP just gave us a nice move on this Friday. Now we will see what move can happen in gold. So don't waste the time and let's get back to on charts. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to hit that like and bell icon so you don't miss any update. Okay, cut. Take two. Hello traders, this is Trader Muru here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and another episode of weekly analysis of gold. Today we will analyze gold and this first week candle of 2024 have closed. So what can be the next move in gold? We will analyze the wall chart and I will present a summary of which trade you can take from this overall analysis over here. So before we start, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit on that bell icon so you never miss another update from my channel. So without wasting time guys, just let's go into chart. This is a 1 day chart over here. Firstly, I have just told you guys that there is a nice resistance at 2075. So let me just put it on over here. Okay, this is the dynamic resistance over here. Now you can see this, the gold was in rising pattern over here. There was a nice fake out this week. This is just a fake out week, as I have already told you guys that gold have just grab liquidity over here and the another liquidity is pending. Now we are seeing that there is a liquidity below this trend line. See, gold is bouncing from this trend line. Now let's move on to 4-hour chart. On 4-hour chart we can see that there was a resistance at this zone. I was marking from many times that this is the main resistance area of 2050 to 2046 to 47, around just 46. There is a massive resistance zone over here because this is just a previous high too, and there is another resistance at this zone over here. See, so guys, gold is not able to cross this resistance over here and just a nice liquidity grab. Now let's move on to 1-hour chart. In 1-hour chart we can see gold is rejecting from this trend line at here. You can easily see this trend line at here. Now where is the demand zone? This is the lowest point, the swing low, the strong low of this candle, of all this pattern over here. Now gold have to break this low to change its structure from bullish to bearish, and then this trend line will also break. Now let's see what can the possibility of gold moving upside. There is 2 demand zone over here. I can mark this 2 demand zone. First is this, you can see nice bounce candle have not closed below, and again pump. And second is the order pending over here. Because of this two equal low just swept away and market was pumped, so gold can drop to this two price. First this and bounce, second this, see. And if gold breaks this low, don't you ever try to long gold, then we will just visit these areas. So better to wait for this position over here. You can take long position from here and here with the invalidation below this wick, because there is a liquidity sweep over here. Price was running in downtrend. There is a high, lower low, see, lower high, again lower low, lower high and lower low. Then price just rejected from this 1 hour order block. You can see this was a 1 hour order block which I have already mentioned, and we have taken a shots from there too. Now price have just changed structure. First ever higher high is formed. Now we see if gold don't break this last low and again pump and breaks this high, then gold will test around 2100 and 2100 and 2075. Okay guys, so these three possibilities there if gold breaks this last high, and this bottom targets are open for gold if breaks low. Then what will be the nicest position after the break of this? Then you can take short from here after break of this trend line, and your target should be near of 4 hour support at this area. See, firstly gold will test this area, which I already mentioned that we will test this area if gold breaks this trend line, and then the second one is here, which is in this zone. The third is here, from which gold have bounced many times and give us a nice momentum. This area is also pending for price tap, and you can expect a tap out here if gold breaks this trend line. First of all, this will be a nice wick for gold. If we see a nice bounce and a breakdown, then both the position will be a nice will give us a nice profit. So wait for this trend line rejection or this trend line break for the nice position confirmation, guys. This is my views on gold, guys. So that's it for today, guys. I have covered all the things you need to know to take a position in gold. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in next video. Until then, keep trading, keep printing.